Hey everyone, it's Kai Valentine from LifeGrove.org coming at you with 3 tips on how you can manifest unexpected money quick. But first, here is a 100% accurate t-shirt. That's right, 100% accurate. Can you believe that? So the first step to manifesting unexpected money is to actually move my hair. Expect it. That's right. I want you to start waking up each and every day expecting to make more and more money. And how can you do this? Well, by doing step 2, which is to prove to the universe that you deserve to make more money. Now, do we all deserve more money? Yes, our souls are here to experience. And I am a Christian. I believe that God created us to live life to the fullest. That's just what I believe. Now, my views aren't, they don't, not everyone in LifeGrove shares my views, but that's my opinion. However, I think we can all agree that we deserve something better in life. And in order to purchase time freedom, in order to purchase these amazing experiences, we need money. So prove to the universe that you are worthy of it. How do we do that? By giving value to others. Stop worrying about yourself and what can you do for others. You help enough people get what they want, you'll get what you want. The third step is the penny trick. And what I want you to do is pick up any piece, any coin, any kind of money that you see, no matter if it's a penny. If it's safe, I will get it. Like if it's not in the middle of the street, of course I'll just look in and say, you know what, I'm grateful for that. Thank you for that sign. But even if it's dirty, I will pick it up. And I have a little place in my car that I put it, and I always say, I am so grateful for this. This is a sign of more prosperity coming to me. So those are my 3 tips on how to start manifesting unexpected money. Again, I'm Kai Valentine from LifeGrove.org. Check out our free courses at LifeGroveAcademy.org. I love you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day.